Leetcode daily challenge. It is an easy problem today. 3461. Check if digits are equal in string after operations. Number 1. Imagine this is a string of length n. Because this is a string and we want to calculate those digits, we have to turn this string into a list of int. It will be easier for us to do the calculations. All we asked is to, for every pair of or the adjacent number, we add these numbers up and save it, say here, in the place of first number. We repeat this calculation until the end of the string. That's the first 4. We have to do this for all pairs. Then how many times we gonna repeat this operation? So each time we reduce the length of this string by 1. For a length of n, we gonna need n minus 2 times of loop to make it a string from n reduced to 2. And finally, by default, it will be false. We couldn't make it equal unless the results show that the final results are equal for the final 2 digits.